Okay, I've had a few people ask me about this, so I think it's time I should show you how. Um, let's say you have a piece of glass that's real narrow and you want to just squeeze one more set of mirrors out of it. Well, if you try to cut it like this, for one thing, it's going to be really hard to hold, but also it's unstable, and look at how much that wiggles. That means it's not going to be straight. Now, you're still taking a risk when you do this method, but you're not going to get injured or anything like that. The narrowness that you can cut is going to be dependent on how much you can hold on. And also, I've found a limit at about, you can only cut off about 4.5 millimeters to any reliability. Otherwise, it gets so wiggly as it's going down there. So what you need is go to the dollar store, which is $1.25 now, and get a square, carpenter square like this one. And then you need a heavy weight. In this case, it's a rail joint assembly. Not everybody has one of these. But a big hunk of steel, even a brick. You might want to get a foam pad or a piece of rubber or something like that to keep it from marring things up. That will complicate what you're doing here. But what you're gonna do is you set this for how wide you want the mirror to be, just like you normally do. Let's say it's, I haven't calibrated this, but let's say it's 10 millimeters. I like nice round numbers. And then, so that's set at 10, and we'll slide this over there to that. We gently slide the square over. We'll put the weight on the square, make sure it's good along there. And that means that it's probably good here. I see a little bit of a gap here, so I think this is a very crooked mirror here on this side. See that? See that light gap? But anyway, so you just do that, and then you're gonna have to hold this gently, and I'm working in front of the dumb camera here. So, oops. Voila vie. So there we go. I don't know how accurate this is going to be because this is just a piece of scrap, so it's likely not square on this side. That's the other thing to keep in mind, is that you might end up with a mild taper to this